The next software update for the Samsung Galaxy A56 is expected to bring a range of performance enhancements and new features, as part of Samsung's extended commitment to long-term support. Launched with Android 15 and One UI 7, the A56 is set to receive the Android 16 update later in 2025. This update will likely include improvements to system stability, smoother animations, and enhanced battery management powered by AI-driven optimization tools. One of the standout features expected is a customizable battery protection mode, allowing users to set charging limits to help prolong battery lifespan, a feature that has been slowly rolling out to other Samsung devices. Camera performance is also anticipated to see upgrades, with improved image processing and possibly new shooting modes tailored for low light or fast action. The user interface may receive subtle visual refinements, alongside enhanced privacy controls and deeper personalization options. With Samsung promising up to 6 years of software support, including 4 to 5 years of major OS updates and extended security patches, the A56 is set to remain relevant well into the next decade. This level of support ensures that even mid-range users can enjoy a flagship-like experience when it comes to longevity, security, and software innovation.